Welcome to the Susquehanna Automotive experience. We know a lot of dealerships claim to give you the best customer service, but here at Susquehanna Automotive, we truly back it up. Whether it's buying a new or used vehicle, getting parts for your vehicle, or even using our state-of-the-art service center, here at Susquehanna, you can count on us to give you the utmost best experience. Our friendly sales staff strives to give you the most transparent pricing, get you a fair deal, and help you get into the vehicle of your dreams. And if you've already got your car on the road and need factory components, be sure to visit our parts center where our staff is eager to help you out and get all the parts to make sure your vehicle is running properly. And if you're looking to add a little bit more flair to your ride, we also offer lift kits, wheels and tires, and a ton of other accessories to help you looking cool on the road. And in case you can't stick around in our comfortable showroom, we offer express lane services as well as complimentary loaner vehicles. Whether you're here to buy a new ride, pick up some parts, or keep your vehicle serviced, Susquehanna Automotive is the place for you.